Hello to all my K beauties out there. Welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Kayla J here. I am back at it again with another video. So before we get into the video, you guys make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get right into this video. So as from the title, y'all can see, I'm going to be showing y'all a few Valentine's Day hairstyles that you can do. This is last minute, y'all, because y'all know Valentine's Day is right around the corner. Just a couple of different hairstyles that you can try out or whatnot, you know, last minute hairstyles for your straight hair, straight natural hair, your weave, your sew-ins, your clip-ins, whatever you got. Okay, I said again to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos, and I hope y'all enjoy this one.